Hey YouTube, what's going on? Bruins Man here, and today I have these hyper elites for you. Well, actually, I'm the Kryptonizer. Hyper elites for you, and these regular elites for you. Hold up a second. I'm putting them on my hand to see how they look. It's a kind of bag. Them out. And so that's how they look. Now if you look at the dots here, 1, 2, 3, 4 line, and then that, the hyper elites. Oh, here they are. They're actually the same. I thought they were different, but the comparison there, and there, and then we'll take a look at the regular elite, right? So the right one, dry fit. The back is a Nike symbol right there. It's kind of boring. Now these are actually pretty interesting because they are hyper elites made by LeBron James, well, his company. And the LJ symbol right there. I'll lay it out for you guys. And there's great texture on this. Some cool like things, and then I do have cool like light orange one, like neon orange ones. Pretty sick. And on the front here, it's a little different than their normal elite. And it's like a snake, like really long. And here's a front comparison for you. I can't really set them up right. But so yeah. I hope you like this video. I've got probably more elite short videos for you comparing King Bron shorts and regular elite shorts that are they're the opposite of this one. So hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, goodbye.